Nale, welcome back to Made by Nale. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I've customized this gorgeous corset, guys. Like, look how gorgeous it is. It is giving stunning into something even more stunning, which I will show you right here. But I think this corset, I'm not sure if you're meant to wear it like here. I feel like you're actually meant to just wear it like here. Woo! I can feel it snatch. Oh wow, look at my way. So DIY, and I just want to big up my charity shop that's actually sponsoring me on like literally all my videos. Thank you so much, Guild Care, for this corset. And as always, guys, you'll be able to find this corset at the charity shop Guild Care in Crawley Town. You'll be able to find this very denim corset, one of one. And I'm excited to show you guys how I'm going to be customized. It's going to take me a couple of days because what I want to do is I want it to be like a frayed project. So all the denim pieces that I'm going to stick onto this corset is going to be frayed. Frayed. The better. The more the better. I don't want it to be smooth, nice. I want it to be like a coarse, like... Because one thing about denim is beautiful, yeah? And this corset is a classic. So I wanted to marry a classic with a classic. And I'm going to take my time with it and probably going to keep this cream bit. I'll see. But I'm going to be basically working from like maybe the top bit here. I might just rhinestone the edges. We'll see. Or I might just cover this all up, but I need it neat and crisp. You know the vibe, neat and crisp. So it's going to take me a while. I'm actually going to start that DIY today. I be sewing a lot. And I get a lot of waste like left over. I get so much waste left over and it needs to be used, guys. It needs to be used. You can't just be like sewing and throwing out the waste. Like, everything helps. So we're literally going to be using all these upcycled denim pieces. Even this, you see this has like a whole stain on it. Someone else would throw it away, but I'm sure I can just literally cut that section out and one day that little distressed piece will come in handy. But yeah, today I'm going to be literally using all this like upcycled leftover denim fabric to literally cut out squares. So like when I was talking about the frays and everything, I want everything to be sort of like this. You see, like frayed, pieced together. The more frayed it is, the better. Like, so this is probably like perfect. This is just perfect for me. So I'm gonna like literally cut. I'm gonna cut a strip from that.
So now we're back onto the voice notes, and as I said before, I'm just going to be cutting out little chunks of squares and fraying them later. I think I did this off camera. This is the most tedious part that takes ages, so make sure you're chatting to someone or watching something good. Once that was done, I just started planning out where I wanted everything to go, and this was a good step because when it came to gluing, it was just fast and efficient. And I'm also just fraying the pieces here, as you can see. And guys, these were all my pieces that I had, and I literally covered the whole corset with it, and it took ages, but I absolutely love the end results. I decided to add some decorative bits and bobs, so that trimming, and I also used this from an old dress and I draped it over everywhere to get this like fuzzy vibe, and I absolutely loved it, guys. And this is how it looked once it was finished, and I made a matching skirt. Obsessed, and I'll see you guys next time.
Yeah.